Hello and welcome to another video. We are here in the beautiful town of St. Joseph, Minnesota, and we are starting a motorcycle trip. Join me and my companion Steve as we head to the Black Hills. We're going the week before Sturgis. Today is Monday, August 3rd, and we will be leaving the Black Hills immediately upon the Friday of Sturgis. These are our motorcycles. I have a 2016 Yamaha FJ09. Steve, what year model is your bike?
2006 Honda VTX 1300.
So a 2006 Honda VTX 1300. We are all ready and packed to go. We're fueled up, so I'm not going to do much of an intro. We'll get going soon, but this is how we got them loaded. I have a pair of Nelson Rig adventure bags, and then I just have a Condition 1 top crate, which is like a cheap Pelican. And I got my pack netted on there. Steve's got his bike set up the OG method. Grab a duffel bag and a backpack and strap the shit out of them. So this is what his bike looks like. Again, not doing much of an intro. We're going to get riding and I'll talk to you as you're riding. But I just wanted to show you the setup before we get going. So join us. So we just left St. Joseph. Today's mission is to get to Murdo, South Dakota. Again, to recap, today is Monday. We have from now to Thursday in which we're on the road. We want to try and be back home either on Thursday or Friday, time permitting. So because our hotel is already booked for Tuesday and Wednesday, today's mission dictates that we don't need to make it all the way to the Black Hills. Black Hills is a bit around 600 to 700 miles from where we live, which is very doable in a single day. But we're going to take our time. We're trying to get to Murdo, South Dakota, which will get us, pretty close to the middle of South Dakota, and will give us an easy enough time the following day. If we are to make it Murdo today, we'll start in Murdo, South Dakota tomorrow.
I'm Captain Obvious.
Which means that will give us ample time to hit up the Badlands and Waldrug. Waldrug is just a giant tourist trap in South Dakota, if you aren't aware. They got a bunch of little shops and sell trinkets, and it's just a fun place to stop. It's right in the middle of South Dakota. If you haven't been to South Dakota, as soon as you cross the border, you start seeing billboards for Waldrug, and the closer you get to Waldrug, the more they increase in frequency. I mean, you could be 400 miles away from Waldrug, and you're going to start seeing billboards for it. And the thing I really want from Waldrug is I just want a sticker. I want a Waldrug sticker so I can slap that on my bike. I feel like I've seen a lot of bikers who do a lot of cross-country trips have that Waldrug sticker, and your boy want that clout. So that's one of the main motivations behind Waldrug. So I won't talk too much longer. We got a lot of road ahead of us, a lot of days ahead of us. I'll try and divvy it up, not chew it all off at this point in time. I'll send you guys updates later. We've made it to Mitchell, South Dakota, home of the world famous Corn Palace, which I don't know if we'll be visiting yet. You'll know by the power of editing. But main goal here, stop, get fuel, get food. Fuel for us. And then I think Hello friends, we are now in Murdo, South Dakota, which will be our stop for the night. We are staying at what is called the Sioux Hotel, Sioux Motel. Sioux meaning the Native American people local to this area of the United States. Okay, so today is Tuesday, August 4th. We already got the bikes all loaded up. We are ready to go. We're just checking out of the hotel. We are at the Sioux Hotel in Murdo, South Dakota. We are going to start the day by going to the Badlands. I haven't been to the Badlands since I was in elementary school, I believe. So it'd be cool to be there as an adult, and especially cool to be there on a motorcycle. After that, we're going to go to the fabled Wall Jug tourist attraction. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to make it. I'm not sure what exactly we'll do at Wall Jug or what we'll get in Wall Jug. I know I want a sticker. They have a bunch of cool trinkets too. I'll show you guys a little bit of that as I'm walking through. And after that, it's home free to our hotel in Deadwood. We will be staying at the Gold Country Inn in Deadwood. We already have our reservations booked. It should be kind of busy at that hotel because Sturgis is coming soon. And I know I'd mentioned it, but Sturgis is this weekend. Today is the Tuesday the 4th, and Sturgis starts on Friday. We did not plan to be coming up here the week of Sturgis or the week before Sturgis. This was actually supposed to be part of a bigger trip where we went to Colorado. However, part of our group fell through. We weren't able to do the whole trip. We're only doing a partial trip. We already had the time off, so we were coming this way. I figured being in the Black Hills the week before Sturgis, we should be good. There shouldn't be too much traffic. I don't have that much interest in Sturgis. As you can see, I'm not one of them. I don't like large crowds. I love open roads, and I know that every road in the Black Hills can be crowded during Sturgis, which is cool. I love that Sturgis is a thing. It's just not my thing. But yesterday during our trip, me and Steve noticed a lot of motorcycles heading this way. A lot of group rides and a lot of Harleys on trailers. So I can tell that the week before Sturgis, while I thought wasn't going to be that busy, it's looking like it's going to be pretty busy. Everyone we ran into yesterday, super nice, so I'm sure today will be fine. It will be cool to see all the motorcyclists out there, and it'll be cool to see the Black Hills as it starts transforming from normal tourism to Sturgis tourism and getting ready for all the bikers. But that's all the jibber jabbering I'm going to do this morning. We need to go get fuel because I'm on E, and then we'll be heading towards the Black Hills. See you then. Alright friends, we are now leaving the Pilot Travel Center here in Murdo, bound for the Badlands. Fueled up, I got my energy back, I'm hyped! Ready to do this. I smashed a giant Monster energy drink before we left. I was pretty tired this morning. How you feeling, Steve? Got a head nod, that's good. GPS reads 65 miles to the Badlands, but it's trying to lead us directly to the center of the Badlands through a walking path. I'm pretty sure we'll be there in under an hour at the east entrance. We're at the Badlands trading post right now. A lot of bikes rolling in, so definitely going to be busy up in the Black Hills. You can see group there, groups right there. Bunch of bikes storming in right now past this car. A lot of GoPros too, I'm not the only one. I definitely have the quietest bike here. Okay, we made it through the Badlands safely, and now we're entering the city of Wall, home of Waldrug. And you can't go through Wall without stopping at Waldrug. It's the law. Plus, I really want a sticker for my bike. I want that Waldrug sticker. I want that Waldrug clout. Here it is, brothers and sisters. Waldrug. It's not as visually beautiful, but it's right there. We're not at the front, we're at the side. So, me and Steve are gonna have to find a place to park, and I will bring you guys inside, show you around a little bit. All right, We just got done visiting Wall Drug in the city of Wall, South Dakota. It was a fun little stop. Saw some of the local attractions, to include the animatronic dinosaur. Overall fun experience, kind of a waste of time, kind of cool to see if you've never been there before. And I got my sticker. So now wherever I go, everybody will know that I've been to Wall Drug. Not that that amounts to anything, but I don't know, I think it's cool. We have one more final leg of the trip before we're in the Black Hills. Going from Wall, South Dakota to Deadwood, South Dakota, where our hotel is. Room's already reserved. We got an easy 90 miles before we get there, so about an hour and a half jog on the interstate, and we will be home free for the night. Not sure if we'll do any other riding for the rest of the night, but you guys will find that out much sooner than I, by the power of editing. See you there. My GoPro froze. Of all things to happen to a GoPro, you don't think freezing would be one of them. But we did manage to make it to Deadwood. We are currently checked into our hotel here at Gold Country Inn, which is perfect for motorcycling until you realize where our room is. The reason it's perfect is because you can park your bike right outside your doors. We didn't get so lucky, did we, Steve?
Nope.
I'll show you where we're at. So there's the bikes. There's most of the doors. They put baby in the corner for us.
Nobody puts baby in a corner. Come on.
It's a nice hotel room, it's pretty big. But instead of being able to look out our window and look at our bikes, we got some trees and a highway.
Guys, you want to take me in? You're gonna have to shoot me in the back. Oh, I never shot a man in the back before. I have him away.
And then we'll stop again. Was that a sick shot? Does that look cool? Probably not. I probably look like an idiot.